and Patel. Lina, Avnish Patidar, Divan Patel, Gurjesh Malviya.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me.
Crowd out of the stadium, please come. Encouraging way, this is your achievement. And with the
the IITians and the technocrats who came from Nagpur and Pune, they are all wonderstruck. They were amazing to see the performance of the little champion belong to grade 5th, 6th and 7th. They have become junior IITian, junior scientists. Give them big hands.